A new report says auto sales in the first quarter hit their slowest pace in more than 4 years. Now, this was released one day before the automakers themselves report sales for March, which are expected to show another month of solid but slower growth. Phil Lebeau has more.
It looks like the consumer is finally tapping the brakes when it comes to buying new cars and trucks. J.D. Power analyzed sales of almost 3 million new vehicles in the first quarter and says the pace of sales is the slowest the industry has seen since late 2014.
We're seeing people perhaps have fewer cars than they had in the past because of some new services, but in general, the overall economy and what we see with the auto manufacturers, this isn't something that we would find alarming and doesn't certainly look like a 2013 or 14 type event.
Since 2015, annual auto sales have topped 17 million vehicles, the best 4-year stretch ever in the U.S. So why is demand cooling off? One factor is higher interest rates for auto loans, which means higher monthly payments. Still, with Americans showing strong consumer confidence and unemployment at its lowest level in decades, there are still plenty of people willing to spend big bucks, especially for new pickups. In fact, J.D. Power says automaker revenue per pickup hit a record high last quarter.
I think they want to buy pickup trucks. I think they like them. They're practical. They work their way through the snow reasonably well. These things change, but at the moment, I think 2019 we're going to see a continued move to pickup trucks and SUVs.
Automakers believe this slowdown in sales is not the beginning of a major drop in business. Instead, they're hoping this is simply a case of some consumers taking their foot off the gas and thinking twice before buying a new car or truck. Phil Lebeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.